Hi, baby girl.
You going to get your present.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Do you see your present?
Ginger.
Happy birthday to you. That's a pretty lion, huh?
Wow, that was like fun.
This is from Grams and Pop Russell.
That's a scary lion.
What do you think?
You want to get on and ride him?
Look at that. Do you like your lion? What do you think, baby girl? What do you think? Do you like your lion? You giving it hugs?
Are you going to eat the lion?
Are you eating the lion? Are you eating the lion? Yeah! Woo! You're falling off the lion. Happy birthday, baby. Oh, give Lion hugs. Give the lion a hug. Or bite his ear. Either one is fine. You like it. We saying thanks, Grams and Pop Russell.
Alright, Ginger, give the lion a name. Are you going to call it eh? Alright. Are you beating up the lion? That's as nice as you know how to play, huh?